Happy Wednesday, good morning. I just got to work and this is my skincare routine. So I start off the morning by cleaning my face with Youthtothepeople's Superfood Cleanser. Typically this is a good step 2 for a lot of people when we're talking about cleaning their skin, but for me, since I don't wear makeup, this is my step 1. When I get to work and sit down on my desk, that's when I start using the Adaptogen Soothe and Hydrate Activated Mist. I just spray this on my face a couple times before I move on to the next step of my skincare routine. So the reason I like doing this is because allegedly if you put this on your skin before you put the moisturizer on, this liquid and this moisture will help your skin absorb whatever moisturizer you put on your skin a little bit more. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start using facial fuel. I'm going to put facial fuel on my forehead and my face from my cheeks down, because I do have a separate eye cream I want to use, but this will be used on the rest of my face. So this is facial fuel by Kiehls. So what I do is I put like little drops on all of my fingers, like that, and then I tap them together, boom, 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 boom. And then you're gonna see me rub my face in small little circles. See, I'm gonna get my forehead, get the T-zone, go around, get behind my ears, in front of my ears, because you know that part gets dried out too for guys. So after that is all absorbed in there, you can see my skin is a little bit more moisturized and refreshed. The next step in my skincare routine for the morning is I'm going to use some Youthtothepeople Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. The reason I'm using this is because I have kind of oily skin and I want to make sure that whatever moisturizer I put on top is light, refreshing, and feels like it isn't there. So you're going to see me use some of this. Get a little dabble, put some right there. Another dabble, put some right there. Put some on my nose, because you know, I have a big nose, moisturized. So one thing you gotta help me out with, is this enough a superfood air whip moisture cream to put on my face, or should I put on more? You gotta let me know in the comments for next time. And then just rub it in. Get my T-zone. Susan Lay taught me about the T-zone. Then get it, moisture it in. Again, put the excess behind my ears. I always like doing that. And around my neck. So there you have it. This is the skincare routine I do when I get to work. If you have a work skincare routine or any products on your desk, let me know in the comments.